Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Mindful Max Hub. In today's video, we are diving into solving second and third problem of section 3 of previous year question paper for 10th grade max. But before we dive in, I want to take a moment to reflect on our last videos where we have explored section 1, section 2 and first problem of section 3 of previous year question paper. If you haven't seen it yet, I have included a link to that video in the description below, so be sure to check it out. And make sure you have pen and paper before starting the video. So let's get started. Question is, in an acute angle triangle ABC, if sine of A plus B minus C is equal to 1 by 2 and cos of B plus C minus A is equal to 1 by 2, then find angle A, angle B and angle C. So they have given sine of A plus B minus C is equal to 1 by 2 and cos of B plus C minus A is equal to 1 by 2. So we have to find angle A, angle B and angle C. So sine of A plus B minus C is equal to 1 by 2. Then cos of B plus C minus A is equal to 1 by 2. Then from this table we can see that sine theta, when theta is 30 degrees, it is 1 by 2. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then we have to substitute 1 by 2 as sine 30. See, sine A plus B minus C is equal to sine 30. So we have to cancel this sign and this sign, and then we are remaining with A plus B minus C is equal to 30 degrees. Then same with cos also. Here we have cos 60 as 1 by 2. So we are substituting 1 by 2 as cos 60 here. So we get B plus C minus A is equal to 60 degrees. So we are taking this equation as equation 1 and this equation as equation 2. So adding these two equations, we get, see here we are adding these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So A plus B minus C is equal to 30 degrees is equation 1 and B plus C minus A is equal to 60 degrees. Then A minus A, we are cancelling these two. Then B plus B will become 2B. Then minus C plus C, we are cancelling these two. So B plus B is equal to 2B. Then 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. So we have to find B. So to find B, we have to send this 2 to RHS. So here it is multiplication, 2 into B. So if we send this 2 here, it will become division. So B is equal to 90 divided by 2. Then B is equal to 45. Then coming here, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So we are taking this equation as equation 3. Then adding equation 1 and equation 3, this is equation 3 and this is equation 1. So adding these two equations, we get 2A plus 2B is equal to 180 plus 30. Here A plus A is equal to 2A. B plus B is equal to 2B. Then C minus C, we are cancelling these two. C minus C. Then we get 180 plus 30. We get 2A plus 2B is equal to 180 plus 30. Then 2A plus 90 is equal to 210. Here we have B as 45. So we have to substitute this 45 here in B. So we get 2B as 90. So 2A plus 90 is equal to 210. Then we got 2A is equal to 120. Then A is equal to 120 divided by 2. And we got A as 60 degrees. Okay. Then from this equation 3, we have to substitute this A and B. So we get C. In order to find C, we have to substitute A and B in this equation. So A is 60, B is 45. We don't know C. We have to find C. So 60 plus 45 is 105. Okay. We have to send this 105 to RHS. So we get C is equal to 180 minus 105. So we got C as 75 degrees. Therefore, we have find all the angles, that is angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A is 60 degrees, angle B is 45 degrees, and angle C is 75 degrees. Moving to next problem. Problem number 15. Find the mode for the following data. So they have given the table which contains class intervals and frequency. So the formula of mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So the model class means interval with highest frequency. So we can see 40 is the highest frequency in this table. So the interval means this one. So interval with highest frequency means this is the model class. So the here L means lower limit of model class, means this is the model class, and the lower limit means this one 1500 is the lower limit. So L is 1500. Then F1 means frequency of model class. So this is the model class and the frequency of this model class is 40. So F1 is equal to 40. Then F2 means frequency of class after the model class. So this is the model class, and after the model class means this one, right side of the model class. That is frequency of class after the model class. After the model class, the frequency is 33. So F2 is equal to 33. Then F0 means frequency of class before the model class. Means this is the model class, and before the model class is this one. So the frequency is here 24. So F0 is equal to 24. So H means size of the model class interval. So this is the model class, and the size of this is we have to subtract this 2000 minus 1500, that is 500. So we have taken that H as 500. So in order to find this mode, we have to substitute all these values into this formula. So that we get 1500 plus 40 minus 24 divided by 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into 500. Okay. Then in next step, 1500 plus 40 minus 24 is 16. Then 2 into 40, it is 80. Then minus 24 minus 33 is minus 57 into 500 into 500. So in next step, we get 1500 plus 16 divided by 23 into 500. So we have multiplied this 500 with 16 in the next step. So we get 1500 plus 8000 divided by 23. So we have divided 8000 by 23. So we get 347.8. So we have to add these two. 1500 plus 347.8. So we get mode is equal to 1847.8. Share your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you all. Keep practicing and stay tuned for our next video.